Download the code from codigive.com. Link in description. The Get Live HTML preview is code with Live server tutorial guides users on how to set up a local development environment for real-time HTML previewing. By leveraging the Live server extension in Visual Studio Code, developers can instantly view changes made to their HTML files in the browser without needing to refresh manually. The tutorial typically begins with the installation of the Live server extension from the Code Marketplace. Once installed, users can open their HTML file and start the Live server, which launches a local server and opens the file in the default web browser. Any changes saved in the HTML document are automatically reflected in the browser, enhancing workflow efficiency. The tutorial may also touch on configuration options, such as port settings and custom route of directories, to tailor the Live server experience. Overall, this setup streamlines the web development process, making it more interactive and efficient.